The 2026 Ford Focus represents a thoughtful evolution in the compact car segment, demonstrating Ford's commitment to innovation, efficiency, and driving dynamics. From a design perspective, the vehicle adopts a more aerodynamic profile, with refined body lines and an aggressive front fascia that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The integration of LED lighting and an updated grille design reflects contemporary automotive trends, ensuring that the Focus remains visually competitive within its class. Inside the cabin, Ford has prioritized ergonomics and technology, equipping the vehicle with the latest Sync 4 infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and premium materials that elevate the overall user experience. These enhancements collectively position the Focus as a compelling option for drivers seeking both style and substance. From a mechanical standpoint, the 2026 Focus continues to offer a balanced approach to performance and efficiency. The base model features a turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine, engineered to deliver an optimal mix of power and fuel economy. Enthusiasts will appreciate the availability of the ST variant, which houses a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine capable of producing over 275 horsepower. This model, paired exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission, underscores Ford's dedication to engaging driving dynamics. Safety and driver assistance remain integral to the 2026 Ford Focus, reinforcing Ford's emphasis on comprehensive vehicle security. The inclusion of the Co-Pilot 360 suite ensures access to critical features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both driver confidence and overall road safety.